What's up, people? In this video, we're going to watch this guy, Romane Lanceford, and how he prepares for, it says, full day of eating during prep. And I just skimmed this. He's an International Federation of Bodybuilding Men's Physique Pro. Unique dieting approach. Okay, 500,000 subs. Must be doing something right. So yeah, we will watch this. If you guys have any other recommendations, let me know. Leave me a comment.
What is up, muscle and strength? Romane Lanceford here, IFBB Pro, primeval lab sponsored athlete, and today I'm going to be taking you guys through a day's food. Let's do this. Okay guys, so this is meal one. This is 400 grams of liquid egg whites and 100 grams of oats or oatmeal. This is the meal I have straight after fasted cardio, so it's the first meal of the day. As you can see, I have it just like this. That's raw egg whites and oats. I actually really enjoy this meal. Try it.
I know nothing. Never listen to me about anything. However, I'm going to give my opinion anyway. God bless the internet. So like, all right, so here's the thing. And again, this guy's a bodybuilder, professional bodybuilder. I've never been a professional bodybuilder. So like I said, I know nothing. Generally though, what's the reason for having egg whites instead of the entire egg, right? Is the fat content of the yolk, or so I think, right? Is like you want, as a bodybuilder, you want as much protein as possible and as little fat, because like apparently the protein like goes straight to building the muscle, and the fat, you know, sometimes just unnecessary calories. So they say. My personal approach that I, you know, like I said, I'm not a bodybuilder, and I will never do like one of these competitions. So again, like, don't listen to me. Is that the yolk has enough good stuff in it that you can have it without worrying about the extra calories. Like the extra calories are fine. And again, like I said, I'm not prepping for a contest. I've never like put so much effort into my physique. I think I have a pretty nice physique already without worrying about it. So that's like my trade-off. But I don't do this sport is what I'm saying. That's number one. Number two, if you eat oats raw, okay, generally it's not like the best idea to eat them raw, because or not raw, like uncooked, I guess. When you eat the oats raw, they haven't absorbed any like water yet. So wait, what did I read? That's like they're not good to eat raw. It's just like harder, not that harder to digest, but like worse for your digestion, or they give you a stomach ache or something like that. It's just better to eat them cooked. What's the reason? Or you can like eat more of them without realizing you're eating more, or something like that. I don't know, something like that. And I've eaten them raw, right? So like in my experience, that's true. Like it's always better to eat them cooked, have them like, you know, fill up with water, like absorb the water or whatever. So yeah, like I don't know. I don't know. Whatever. Maybe it works for him.
Okay guys, so this is my jasmine rice and my cod. This is about half my protein intake for the day. The rest will be chicken. These meals actually blend. So I blended my meals about 2 years ago on a competition prep. I saw someone do it on YouTube about 3 years ago, and I thought to myself, that's never going to be me. I'm never going to do that. And it got to one stage on competition prep where I was so sick and tired of eating food all the time. I thought, how can I get this in with just convenience? And then I started to blend it, and I've never gone back. I blend around half my meals each day, but that be fish, chicken, steak, salmon. It really doesn't matter what it is. I'll just blend it and get it down. I would rather drink a shake in 20 seconds rather than sit there for 30 minutes and eat a cold, plain chicken and rice meal or cod and rice meal. People ask me how it tastes. I still can't believe that people ask me that, because this tastes disgusting. It's never going to taste much. And even if you can get past the taste, you can't disguise the texture. It's always going to feel like bits of fish and rice, basically. But it's whatever it takes. If there's anything that's going to get me closer to my goal, and anything where I can make this process a little bit smoother or easier for myself, then I'm going to do so. Doesn't matter what I have to do. So no matter how many times I do this, it never gets any easier. So I need to make sure I'm standing over a sink, because sometimes it doesn't want to stay down. Sometimes it stays up. Sometimes it comes back up again. So let's see how we get on today. So you can see why I do it.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Terrible. Like, props to this guy for doing it. Like, that's dedication right there to winning or competing, I guess. But what I would do is, like, why do you drink it with like the sippy top on it? Like, when you if you were to drink it without the cap, right? Like, what's the problem? When you drink it through a small hole like this, you have to like put your lips on it, and your tongue will kind of stick out, and you'll taste it more, I guess, as opposed to if you just like, you know, have an open cup and you can kind of drink it like that and kind of move your tongue out of the way, right? And just kind of guzzle it a lot and drink it a lot faster also. So gross, like, ugh. This is why you wanted me to watch this video? Okay.
That takes about 20 seconds. Whereas to heat that up and eat it, that could take me 20 minutes. And if you eat 8 meals a day and each meal is 20 minutes, that's over 2.5 hours you spend a day sat down, eat your food, possibly longer. So this is the kind of other half of the day's protein intake, which is just chicken breast. And here I'm doing 6 breasts, one's for Lisa and the 5 are for me. And I'll have those 5 spread over 2 meals, and each meal is around 250 grams of chicken. And I'll have these meals post-workout. So my carb meals that you've seen this morning with the cod and the rice, I'll have the majority of those pre-workout, 1 post-workout, and then my carbs for the day will stop, and I'll have 2 chicken meals, which have chicken and veg, and then my last meal will be salmon. Okay guys, this is my next meal. Rice and cod, again, about 50 grams of protein from cod and 40 grams of carbs from rice. Again, I'm drinking this over the sink in case I'm sick. Let's go. A bit thick. Okay guys, so for my pre-workout, again, I'm having another fish shake with jasmine rice, 50 grams protein, 40 grams carbs, and I'm having my pre-workout concoction from Primal Labs, which is the Mega Pre Black, which is like the stimulant, Mega Pre, which is like a pump-like stimulant, and Basso of course does that as well. So because I'm on like my lower calories now and I'm coming towards the show, I use these before workouts. It can be quite hard when you're a little depleted to get a good pump in the muscle, but I'm still far enough out from the show that I can use these as I get closer. I will be taking them out. Alright guys, so on the way to the gym.
This is hard to watch. So yeah, like anybody, you know, okay, so sometimes I'll review these videos and I'll point somebody out and be like, oh yeah, maybe he's on something, right? And I guess the implication is that if you take, you know, exogenous hormones, that you somehow don't deserve your body, right? Or like it's easier or something to build that much muscle if you're on the sauce, right? Which is it's true. I mean, it's true that like it's easier, but it's not easy. Okay, it's not easy to get as big as these guys. Like you see, like the level of dedication necessary here. Like we have like 3 fish shakes by like 1 p.m. and does that 8 times a day. Oh Jesus Christ, bro. Honestly, what's this guy's name? Ramon or something? Whatever his name is. Like, you'll never watch this, but if any other like wannabe bodybuilders are watching this or something, and you're like struggling to like get a sponsorship, and like Gymshark isn't returning your phone calls, just do mukbang videos. Like you'll be so much more popular. The bar is set so much lower. Into like what? Like this guy eats a lot. Just do a mukbang, you know, and do your workouts. Like do your thing. Oh, Romane, yeah. It's so much easier to get popular and famous and like make money, and you can still work out as much as you want, dog. Like, but if you eat actual food instead of drinking a fish shake, like take as much time as you want to eat the food, because you won't have to do anything else. You know what I mean? Oh, this is so gross.
Yeah, now it's arm day. Let's get these guns pumped up. So just finished our arm workout, and now we're going to have yet another blended meal shake. This is the same thing, obviously, as cod and jasmine rice. 50 grams of protein from cod, 40 grams of carbs from the rice. I've also put 1 scoop of Primeval Labs Isolit chocolate flavour in here as well, just for those fast-acting proteins to get straight in there. So this takes us up to about 75 grams of protein in this one serving here. I'm not by the sink, but I'm in a car park, so at least if I'm sick, it's outdoors. Okay guys, so we're back from the gym now. This is my meal 6. This is just 250 grams of chicken breast and 4 asparagus spears. I have this meal now twice, and then I have one final meal before bed. Okay guys, so we're back here again, and this is meal 7 again, 250 grams of chicken breast with 4 asparagus spears, exactly the same as on meal 6. Yeah, it's as dry as it looks. But to me at this stage in prep, I just see this as fuel. It doesn't bother me that it's dry, it hasn't got any season on it. I just want to get it down so that I'm progressing towards my goal, so it doesn't bother me. Okay, so this is my last meal. Salmon and asparagus, a little bit of sweet corn, and some low salt, low sugar tomato ketchup. And this is the ideal meal before bed because the fat slows the digestion of the protein, so it's going to have overnight for that slow release of protein. Let's do it. Okay guys, so that's the day's food with me, Romane Lanceford. Hope you guys enjoyed it. I know you guys are going to try blending your meals. Try not to be sick, and I'll catch you guys next time.
Oh my god. Okay. I watched it. I don't know. I mean, what am I even supposed to say? Like, I guess I don't understand the whole like professional bodybuilder thing. Like, I don't get it. I mean, I understand it's fun to be that big, or I've never been that big, but I would assume it's fun to be that big and like probably psychologically like addicting to just be like way more jacked than everybody around you. Probably get like a lot of positive attention from girls also. But so much work. Oh my god, 8 meals a day and like 5 of them or 6 of them or whatever are blended. It's just like disgusting. But why? Okay, so like if you're a ripped bodybuilder, if you're jacked and you're a bodybuilder, that's like par for the course, right? Like you're a professional bodybuilder, you're supposed to be ripped, you're supposed to be jacked, you're supposed to be huge, you know what I mean? But if you're huge and you're anything other than a bodybuilder, then you stand out. Okay, does that make sense? Right? If you're like a jacked, let's take mukbang for an example, right? Are there any like jacked mukbang people? I guess you could say Nick Dompierre. He's the only one I can think of. But there's only one, right? This guy, I think, is bigger than him. So like if you're like, you know, if you do mukbangs, for example, you're like the jacked mukbang person. You know what I mean? Automatically, like everybody knows who you are. You get access to this entire world of like, I don't want to say mentally insane, but like people who have a strange taste in like their leisure activity will automatically like know who you are and naturally like you just because you eat food on camera, which is just what he's doing. Oh my god, that's exactly what he did. Like, think of the benefits. Romane, you get to eat. You don't have to drink your cod shakes. Okay, you can be more lax in the foods that you eat because you're not competing anymore. And you get to eat as much as you want, and you don't have to like do all this other nonsense that goes with competing. I don't know, maybe it's his passion, maybe like he loves it or something, but I don't know. I just don't get it, I guess. But anyway, thank you for telling me to watch that. It was interesting. If you guys have any other suggestions for videos or YouTubers, let me know. Peace.